If you've ever wanted to showcase multiple images on your Google site in a clean, interactive way, then a photo slider is exactly what you need. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to add a photo slider, also called an image carousel, in Google Sites, so your visitors can swipe through your images with ease. Let's get started. First, open your Google site and head over to the page where you want to add your slider. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Insert panel. From there, scroll down and click on Image Carousel. A window will pop up asking you to add images. You can upload photos directly from your computer or choose them from your Google Drive. Remember, for a carousel, you'll need at least 2 images. Once added, you can drag and drop to reorder them so they appear in exactly the sequence you want. Now comes the fun part, customization. In the carousel settings, you can add captions to each image, choose whether the slider auto starts, and adjust how visitors will interact with it. Once everything looks good, click Insert, and your photo slider will appear on your page. You can resize and move it around until it fits perfectly into your site's design. And that's it. You've just added a fully functional photo slider to your Google site in just a few clicks. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to use this trick on your own site to keep it engaging and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.